Here we have an exponential equation where we want to find all real roots of this equation. To solve this equation, one way is to take log of both sides of the equation. But this addition sign here makes the problem difficult. It's difficult to isolate x value. Now, when we look at this equation carefully, we see that we may come up with a relationship between these bases, 5 plus 2 square root of 6 and 5 minus 2 square root of 6. So here we have 5 plus 2 square root of 6, and I multiplied this by the other base, which is 5 minus 2 square root of 6. And this would be a minus b times a plus b, so the result is a squared, which is 25, minus b squared. And b squared is 2 times 2, 4. A square root of 6 times a square root of 6 is 24. And this would gives us the value of 1. So the two bases here are reciprocal of each other. And therefore, we can simplify this problem by making the assumption that change of variable, assumption that u is equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 to the exponent of x squared minus 3. And we use this back into our equation. So we have u, and we know that the bases of these two equations are reciprocal of each other, equal to 10. And here we know that u cannot be 0 from this equation. And we multiply both sides of this equation by u. So we have u squared plus 1 is 10u, or u squared minus 10u plus 1 is equal to 0. So we easily convert this exponential equation into a quadratic equation by change of variable u here. So here we have u as minus b, which is minus 10 plus or minus b squared is minus 10 squared minus 4ac divided by 2. In other words, here we have constant a as 1, b is minus 10, and c is also as 1. This is equal to 10 plus or minus a square root of 100 minus 4, which is 96, divided by 2. And 96 is 16 times 6. 16 comes outside as 4, so we have 10 plus or minus 4 times the square root of 6 divided by 2. And this would simplify into 5 plus 2 square root of 6 and 5 minus 2 square root of 6 as the two roots of this equation. So we replace for our u here one time 5 plus 2 square root of 6 and another time 5 minus 2 square root of 6. So u is 5 plus 2 square root of 6. Exponent is x squared minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6. And this could be taken as a power of 1. And here, bases of these two equations are the same, so exponent has to be the same. X squared minus 3 is 1. X squared is 4. X is 2. And minus 2. So two of the roots of this equation are 2 and minus 2. Next, we consider 5 plus 2 square root of 6 to the exponent of x squared minus 3, which is my u, as 5 minus 2 square root of 6. So this is equal to 5 minus 2 square root of 6. But here we find that 5 plus 2 square root of 6 and 5 minus 2 square root of 6 are reciprocal of each other. So I can write this as 1 over 5 minus 2 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 6. And this would gives me this equation: 5 plus a square root of 2 square root of 6 exponent x squared minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 to the exponent of minus 1. And again, the bases are the same, so exponent are the same. This time we have x squared minus 3 equal to minus 1, or x squared is 2 and x is a square root of 2 and x is minus a square root of 2. So these are the 4 roots of this exponential, 4 real roots of this exponential. X is 2, x is minus 2, x is plus a square root of 2, and x as minus a square root of 2, which are the roots of this exponential equation.